Hello guys, welcome back to the Nabi AI Studio YouTube channel. Myself Nabi, and today I'm going to be discuss and give some insights of the Google Anti-Gravity IDE, which is recently launched by the Google on 18th November 2025. They are calling it as a AI-powered agent first IDE. So without further delay, let's see what are the features it offers compared to the other IDEs which are already available in the market. Anti-Gravity IDE is Google's new agent-first development platform built to work hand in hand with Google's latest AI models like Gemini 3. It is designed not to just assist to the developers, but to actually perform coding tasks autonomously. Instead of writing every line by yourself, Anti-Gravity provides an AI agents inside the IDE. You can give them instructions, then agents will plan tasks, write code, test it, debug it, and finally return the results, which is something we call them as an artifact. So without further delays, let's see more details by setting up the anti-gravity IDE into my mission and see features how it works autonomously. So this is the official website where you can download the IDE executable file, and also you can find the official documentation in this website. So click on the downloads for Windows. This IDE is support in the Mac OS, Windows, and Linux environment. My mission is Windows, so I am downloading the executable from this Windows for x64. So once it downloaded, you can run the setup file. So once the executable has downloaded, so double click on the executable and start installing the executable into your mission. So my setup has been completed. I'm going to be launch IDE. So click on the next. Here I'm saying start fresh because I don't have anything to be import setting up settings from VS Code. I'm selecting the dark mode. Here before you proceed, you need to know some of you settings over here. So before we proceed on this left side one, just have a look at the right side. So right side it is showing three different policies. One is for if you see the first one, terminal execution policy, it is offering three policies: turbo, auto, and off. Turbo is kind of agentic mode where it will not ask your permission to proceed. So autonomously, the agent will continue in completion the task. Auto, it will agent will be thinking whether to seek your permissions or not for the particular task execution. Off means for each and every action, whatever the terminal is executing, so it will be asking the user permission to proceed. And review policy, before it proceed, so if you select this always proceed, so agent it will not seek your permission, that is user permission. Automatically agent will take over and complete the task. If you say agent decides, so agent will be deciding whether to ask permission to the users or not. So based on the agent things, so it will seek a user permission or it will continue to do the completion of the task. Request review means for each and every action, whatever it is going to be performed, it is asking a user permission to be proceed. So similarly, JavaScript execution policies also. This is for whenever the JavaScript is going to be executed. So these policies will be applicable. It is a similar policies where you can see this terminal execution policy. It also offers a turbo auto always ask and disable. So if you see this left side one, so they are giving the set of the things. Let's say suppose rather than you setting up this configuration, As a bunch default settings, you can select either of the option. Agent-driven development means you are telling to the IDE that without asking user permissions, you are telling to agent that completion of the task autonomously by the agent only. So it automatically selects the corresponding policies in the right side, sorry. So the recommended policy setting is on the agent assisted development, where always agent will be thinking whether to seek a permission of the user or not before it proceed for further or before it proceed to take an action. So review driven means for each and every task or action it is going to be take up. So for each and everything it will be asking your permission. Custom configuration where you can customize the configurations accordingly. So I'm selecting this recommended one. So this is a bit important you before you proceed setting up your IDE into your mission. So I'm selecting normal only. I'm not changing anything. So I need to be sign into the Google account. Uh, Let me sign in. So I have signed up. I'm proceeding further. So this is how the ID is visible. So this is similar appearance like a VS Code, where VS Code also having a similar kind of options like a file, edit, selection, and explore option, where you can find this source code controls and all options are similar to the VS Code only. But here, if you see the left side, it is automatically showing the agenting prompt, and here you can see the models whatever it is allowing. So it allows me to use Google Gemini 3 Pro, which is high and low versions, and Claude Sonnet also I can able to use it. GPT OSS open source model also I can use it. So here it is offering two modes. That is, one is a planning and fast. Planning means it is kind of thinking mode where it will give the better result. Fast means it will complete the task within fast mode. But sometimes there might be a quality issues also it will be there. If you select the first one, there might be a quality compromising things also it will be there. So always better to select the planning one. And here you can see the one option it is showing Open Agent Manager. If you click on this one, so here you can see this workspace and playground. In this workspace, where you can see this your actual project code. Playground is for temporary purpose, so where you can uh, develop any temporary applications or temporary functionality at the playground. Whenever you are developing or something or doing work in the playground area, so it will not be impacted at your workspace of your project code. Okay, let's create one application. I am selecting in a folder. I have selected a folder and I am trusting the author. Okay, here with the one prompt, I am going to be create an application. So agent will be taken care to implement end-to-end solution for that whatever prompt I'm going to be provide. So let's see. I'm going to be create a sample calculator. I'm hitting enter. So as and when I hit enter, so agent start working on the implementation of the solution. or for the prompt whatever I have entered. First, it will prepare the plan and it will ask for the approval. Once I provide the approval, then it proceed for further to implement it, and it itself only test it, and it will show the test results also. After test results completed, then we can run and execute the application. See here, it prepared the plan and agent has decides to proceed for further. Sometimes this agent it will show and seek approvals from the user to proceed for further. But here agent has decided to proceed. I'm now starting the execution. It started writing the code. Although you can see whether agent is been running or not, what is the status of the agent for for the particular task. Currently it is running mode. You can see the agent has been open up the browser and it started testing. The interesting thing is whenever it is doing testing, it captures the screen recordings and it will be providing this recording as an evidence as a test results to the user. I'm not doing anything, so agent only is testing. If any issues it identified while testing, so agent automatically fix that test, fix those issues, and it will re-execute the application and retest it until all issues has been fixed. So while it is implementing the one application, so parallelly you can initiate another agent and you can give the task to the another agent. So that is a another best feature that is offering by this anti-gravity IDE. I can show that and that one as well, how you can create a multiple agents and allocate a multiple tasks to complete. You can see the result is showing the calculator application is working as expected. It will be generating a document kind of thing where it shows how the application has been developed and what are the test cases has been covered. Once if you are fine with this application, whatever it is generated, you can accept all. Otherwise, you can prompt it for further implementation. As of now, I'm satisfied with the whatever result it is showing. I'm accepting all. Now my application is ready. I can start testing on it. So once my application is ready, I don't know how to run the application. Simply I can give the prompt like a run the application. So this IDE, it will take care the running of the application with the help of the agent. That is pretty much faster. I can see application has been launched and ready to be tested or used. So let's say you can see the how colors and UI it has been generated is very good. So yeah, I'm happy with this and if you wanted to enhance this one also, you can enhance by giving the prompts to how I can leverage the multi agents to develop multiple things. Let's say suppose for this one, what I say is I will come to the playground and I will ask like a person. So I'm asking agent to create a personal profile website if a person is a YouTube channel person. So while it is running and developing for further, I will be asking one more thing. So I have initiated two agents to run the tasks. or to create two applications. You can see the multiple agents, how it is been running and all. So in meantime, I will be asking my application to change the application colors to green and black. So now I have initiated three agents. You can see how three agents are started working on and running parallelly. So after some time, these three applications have been completed implementation, and let's see each application run it and see how it has been created. First let's see the calculator app. So I have asked here to change the colors to the black and green. Let's see whether it has changed it or not. Execute this application. Do not run all applications all together because all three applications, most of applications will be running in the local host with the 8000 port level. So there might be a chances of overwriting one application on the other one. So you need to be execute in sequential mode, one application after another one. It's better to be run. Yes, the application has been launched. The calculator, as I said previously, it has been changed its colors to the green and black. Yeah, application is worked perfectly. Let's test the other application. This is a personal profile. Let's see. Agent has launched the application, so I can see the profile how it has been created in the website model. So it is ready to be deployed into the web host. You can enhance it for further. Let's see the third application, which is the gaming application. As I said previously, I don't know how to execute this application, so I'm giving a prompt to execute it itself only by the agent. So agent will be taking care of the application running in the backend mode. So agent will be launching the application in the web browser as it has opened up. Before handed over the application to me, it is trying to check some of the basic checks. Yes, it is ready for the testing, and I can access the application. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can say correct. 8, 11, 14, 17. You can say 21. I guess wrong. 20. Correct. Something random number I am giving. Game over. Yeah. So that's all, guys. So this is how you can create a multiple applications parallelly with the help of the multiple agents in the AntiGravity IDE. So if you like this video and if you got some knowledge out of it, please like and share the video to your family and friends and subscribe the channel for more interesting and knowledgeable videos on the AI space. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next video.